Hello guys. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple paper airplane. Now before we start with that, in my last video I showed you guys how to make a paper ninja star. But I didn't show you guys how many I made. I don't know why it's important, I just want you guys to know. I've made 7 ninja stars. 2 are not duct taped. 1 failed a cardboard knife with duct tape on it. It's flimsy. Just bends really easily. And then 1 really cool looking, I think, ninja star that I made when you have to fold the paper down, that extra stuff. I took, out of the 2 pieces of paper, I took those 2 pieces and tried to make a ninja star, and it actually worked. Figured out how to do it. It's hard, kind of. I just put duct tape on there when I was done, and then cut here, and then put duct tape on the back. Or actually, I just put duct tape, cut. And I wanted to show you, but I didn't, because I forgot. I wanted to show you how good these ninja stars actually fly. So, there's my door. Here's a, I'm going to aim for the middle of the door, kind of. Here's a duct tape one. It's pretty close. Another duct tape. Duct tape. That was like the middle. Duct tape. Duct tape. What? I'm throwing ninja stars. Okay. And here's my flimsy one. It's really not that good. My failed knife throw. Kind of. And then just these paper ones. My dad just yelled at me. So, as you can see, these ninja stars are actually pretty accurate and durable. They didn't really bend that much. Okay, so now on to the fun part, the paper airplane thing that we came here all to see. You just take a regular sheet of paper, just 1 sheet of paper, fold it hot dog style, as I call it. Just like for the ninja stars, I called it hamburger style. I don't know, I learned it from my teachers. If you think it's stupid, don't blame me, blame the teachers. Okay, so just crease it. Make sure, oh yeah, open it up. And then on the top right corner, bring it down to meet the crease. And on the top left corner, do the same. Make sure that right here is about the same. And then fold it in. Now you guys are probably thinking, oh, he's gonna make the most simplest airplane ever. Well, no, I actually like to make mine a little bit cool, just a little bit. I don't go all out and spray paint it, which that would just makes it flimsy. So, after you have this, you want to open it up. and take this and fold it in the middle. And then just crease it. And the flaps are on the back, just so you know. And then you want to take the other thing, or the other side, and do exactly the same. And then you should have this. So then when you have this, you just fold it inwards. And then you should have something that looks like this so far. So next what you want to do is fold this down so the top edge meets the bottom. Just fold it right down and crease it. And I'll show you what me and my friend have figured out, what makes the paper airplane fly better and straighter. And so just do that, and then you want to open it up, and then that's what you should have so far. And then you want to take the back. This is what makes it fly better. Take the back, make this top thing meet right there. And then fold it. I think it works better. I don't know if you guys will. And then you should have something like that. And hold on. So hold it together. You want to take some regular Scotch tape and put it right in the middle, just one piece right in the middle. And then take another short little piece, flip it over, and put it right where your fingers go to hold it. Right there. And then your paper airplane is finished. Now, time to test it out. Try it again. Mostly it works pretty good. This one turns, but if you don't fold these edges, it will usually fly straight. And that's how to make a simple paper airplane. Bye.